It's been 3 years since I've cut my hair.
This video is not sponsored.
But I haven't done a full-on cut in 3 years. I've been debating whether or not to give myself bangs. I'm on the fence, it's 50-50, I don't really know what to do. What if we let the people decide? Does this houseplant look good here? Should I put this lamp on this desk? Should I cut bangs? All important life decisions should be answered on an Instagram poll. So I'm gonna ask on Instagram, should I cut bangs again? And by the time I finish cutting everything else, we'll look at the results, and whatever the results are, we shall do it. My face and my fate are in your hands. Need to get a good picture. How does that look? Should I cut my bangs? Bangs, no bangs. Let's post it. Okay, in the meantime, let's cut the rest of it. I am using very sharp hairdressing scissors. First, I'm gonna do what I call the feel and cut before we do the shape and cut. So I'm gonna section. Last night, I finger coiled my hair to make this process a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna take the strand and just feel where it starts to feel crispy so it's smooth, 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 smooth. Oh, crispy. That is what I'm gonna cut. Strain it out. It's like approximately 2 inches. I don't know. This is about 2 inches, 3 inches. This is hard to do with long hair. Okay. And then I feel again. See if it feels smooth. Feel, feel, feel. Yeah, that feels good. Gonna take that and move it aside. Move on to the next piece. Feels smooth, feels smooth, feels smooth. Feels a little crispy down here. So about that much. And that one's a pretty good amount. Just gonna take the freshly cut hair and just keep it away so it doesn't get mixed up. That was a lot. That's like a lot. 1/2 of the head is finished. So far, the strands tend to feel crispy at around the same point. So I've been cutting off about 2 to 3 inches. Almost there. Okay, we are finished with the feel and cut. Nice, looks good, feels good. It's still pretty long. Just without all the dead stuff. Okay, now we're gonna do the shape and cut. I wanna get a little bit more volume up here, but I still wanna keep the length. So I'm gonna divide my head in half horizontally. Bring them to the front, the long part at the back, and just see if I'm happy with what's left behind. Yeah, that's good. Oh, it feels so healthy. Feels so nice. So I have it all at the front of my head, and I'm just gonna take a little bit off just to give myself some layers. The reason why I'm pulling it to the front is because I want it to be shorter in the front and longer in the back. You wanted like an angular cut to make it shorter in the back and longer in the front, you pull this to the back. That's good. I'm happy with that. Okay. Subtle layers and volume. I notice for sure there's a little bit more of a shape to it. The moment of truth. Let's see. Are we getting bangs today? Are we not? What did the people vote? The tribe has spoken. Should I cut bangs again? 76% said no bangs. Sometimes when you don't know, you just make an Instagram poll. I'll show you later what it ended up being. But generally, 76%, like that's probably not going to change that much, but we'll see. What if it, like by tomorrow, it like switches completely and it's like mostly bangs? Well, sorry guys, missed your chance. Did anyone I know vote? My sister saw the post, but she did not vote. She's like, I don't want to deal with the liability of this. Good choice, Kirsty, good choice. Oh no, she did vote. Kirsty voted yes to the bangs. So supportive. First haircut in 3 years is done. It feels so good. I can't even begin to tell you how nice this feels, how healthy this feels. It feels soft. Oh, and it looks, it just looks better. I don't know. I'll bring it to the window so I can show you what it looks like. Let's turn off this ring light. This is what it looks like in daylight. Feels so healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for voting. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Love it. Love a fresh cut.
You're like a brand new person. It feels good. Yeah, it feels good.
The tides are shifting a little bit with the poll, surprisingly. It's now at 69% instead of 76. After an hour, I'm curious to see what it will be 24 hours from now. Who will be the winner? Probably the no bangs, but maybe it'll get closer.